Hi, I'm Stacey with WTI. Do you ever feel like your bag is a black hole whenever you go to look for something? I really love this generously sized bag from ORIREAL that really provides so much space and it makes everything easy to find. Because this bag is not overly huge, I'm able to store everything that I need. It has two compartments as well as a zipped compartment in the middle, one on the inside as well as a zipped compartment on the outside. The bag itself is made out of a leather material. It is luxurious looking and it has a beautiful pattern on the outside. The wallet that comes with it is awesome. It has 18 compartments, so I can put as many cards as I have in it, but yet it still closes with no problem, and I don't have to feel like it's overstuffed. And if you're looking for a bag that really lets you carry so much stuff without feeling like you have a giant tote bag, this is definitely the one to go with. But that's just my point of view.